Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the accrual entries. Accrual entries you have to post during the month end and you have to reverse the accrual entry in the next month. So accrual entries are part of the month end activities. Accrual means if expenses incurred but not yet paid or income earned but not yet received, okay, then it is known as a accrual. It means that in whichever month the expenses incurred, you have to book the accounting entry in that particular month regardless of cash paid or not. Okay, similarly income, if income is earned in the month, you have to book the accrual entry or journal entry in that particular month, either you have received the cash or not. So that is the meaning of the accrual. Accrual means in whichever month the transaction happens, you have to book the journal entry in that particular month itself, regardless of cash received or paid. Okay. For example, so what will be the journal entry for the in expense scenario? So expense account will be debit and outstanding expense account will be credit. Okay. So here expense, this is the P&L account and this is the liabilities account. Okay, balance sheet liabilities account. For example, you have used the office space but you have not paid the rent. Okay, let's say for the month of June, you have already used the office space but you have not paid the rent yet. So you have to book the rent account debit and rent payable or outstanding rent account credit for the month of June. Okay, you have to book the journal entry or accrual entry in the June month, and in the next month you have to reverse it. So that is the meaning of the accrual entry. Similarly, if you have already used the electricity bill for the month of June, either you have paid the electricity bill or not, you have to book the electricity charge account debit to electricity outstanding or electricity payable account or electricity whichever board is providing the electricity, maybe vendor also you can write. So electricity board account credit. Okay. So this is the example of the accrual entry. Similarly, if you have earned the income, but if you have not received the cash, then this is the journal entry. Outstanding income account debit. This is your balance sheet asset because you are supposed to receive the money, and then income account credit. Okay. Let's say if I am giving the coaching to my students, if they have not paid the fees for month of June, then I have to still book my revenue in the month of June. So while booking, I have to book like outstanding income account debit to income account credit, or I can write like outstanding fees account debit to fee account credit. Okay. So this is about the journal entry. This journal entry, accrual journal entry, you can post from T code called FB S1. Mass label also you can book. Okay, mass label you can also book the accrual entry, and once you post any accrual entry, okay, you can see in this table. You can see in this table. Once you reverse, you can reverse the accrual entry in the next month from this T code F.81. Once you reverse the accrual entry will get removed from this table. Okay. Mass reversal process of the accrual entry you can do from the background job also, so that there won't be any manual intervention. That you can schedule in the third party tool called automate or redo or RMJ means run my job. So these are the third party tool where you can schedule the background job. So as and when the accrual entries are due, it will automatically run and it will reverse the accrual entry. So these are the few things as a consultant you have to know. Now let me show you. So go to FBS1 and you can, okay, let's say I'm posting in I am going to post the journal entry in the month of June. Give here reversal region 01. When you want to reverse, let's say I want to reverse on 1st of July. It enter. Give here 30 June. Okay. It enter. Give here 40. I am going to book the accrual in expense. So labor expense account debit. Okay, 1000 rupees. Give the cost center. Give here 50 and labor expense outstanding. Okay, it enter. Okay, now save it. Okay, so this is the accrual entry. This once you post the accrual entry, you can see in the table. Go to SC16M TSTOR. This is the table. You have to know as a consultant. US 75. Okay. So this is the journal entry. Just you have post. So any accrual entry you book, it will be coming in this table. Okay. So during month end, make sure that it is. In the next month, make sure that everything is 0. There should not be any entry which is not reversed. Okay. Now reverse it. To reverse the journal entry, you have to go F.81 T code. Give the criteria. Okay. If you want to reverse particular document, you can give here. All other criteria you can give. Okay. You can give reverse based on the document type. You can reverse based on posting date, planned reversal date, many other parameter is there. You reverse directly. Okay, so this document got reversed with this document. Okay, you can see here. So this is got reversed with this document. Now if you go here in the table level, you go at the table level, where is the table? TSTOR, because there is no journal entry, because you reverse it. Okay, so likewise, you have to make sure that during month end, once you reverse the journal entry, you have to go and check in this table, make sure there is no accrual entry is left to reverse. Okay, so this is one of the checkpoint. If support consultant has to go and check it once accrual entries are reversed, make sure that this table is proper. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.